all traders, welcome to Otrading platform, a unique sports and futures trading bot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to launch trades using the Future CTA, even if you have zero knowledge in crypto trading. In fact, this bot analyzes the market and picks the right directions for your trades, whether long or short, at the right time, and closes in profit depending on your settings. So in this video, I'll be showing you the settings you should follow when making use of Otrading, more specifically the Future CTA, which is an AI bot. So as you can see, let's jump into the market. This is the market section, and clearly you can see the market is neither bullish nor bearish, and so it is a bit difficult to think whether you should long or short unless you have to make use of AI indicators. And Otrading is jam full of indicators that will help you to take the right decision on when to open or to close a trade. Of course, the opening and closing is done automatically, so it's a hand-free bot, so don't bother. So watch this video right up to the end, don't miss any part. So after doing the necessary things, depositing your funds on an exchange like Binance and buying gas fee of a minimum of $20, and actually connecting your account using API the right way, then do this. Move over to where you have trades. Click on trades. Once you click on trades, you'll be taken to this section. Here we have several bots, both sports and futures bot. It is true that for now, I am recommending 70% of your capital should be on the sports bot. But if you must trade futures, then this is the best option for you, the Future CTA, which is unique to Otrading. So how do you go about the setting here? Please watch to the end, don't miss any part. So at this level, just click on this small arrow here, click on that small arrow, and then you'll be taken to this section. Of course, any coin, any pair can be selected by default, and here we have selected Ray. You can decide to change it by just clicking here. If you click there, you have other options. You can see so many other options here, and maybe I should go for this one or this one or this. So let me take field. So I'll click on field. Once I click on field, I'm taken to this section. You can see the pair here has changed, so we have to do a few settings here. The first thing, verify if you are on the maximum leverage of 50. Then move over here, modify the initial positions such that the value you see here should be exactly equal to $50 or approximately equals to $50. So I'm going to put 13 there. 13, you can see, is giving me 46.5. So I'll modify it again. I'll put 15. 15 is too much. I'll put 14. 14 gives me 50.09, which is very good. 50.09 is approximately equals to the leverage, which is 50. So the next thing to do is I'll move down here. The time frame is 30 minutes, so I'll move a little bit down. I'll make sure, I'll verify if I am on running mode of cycled, and then here it should be auto, and then here you have an option to choose any indicator of your choice, and I usually prefer the MA breakout. So you can use up to 3 indicators here. When you use 3 indicators here, it means the 3 indicators have to come to a compromise before a decision is taken whether there should be a long or a short trade. So you can add, I'm going to click on this plus sign, and then I'll add one other indicator. Which indicator should I use? No, I'm removing this. I'm adding okay, I'll add MA breakout. This one, I'll add MA breakout. You can as well add the third one. Let's say you want to add the MACD. So you have 3 indicators here. As I said, when you use 3 indicators, these 3 must come to a compromise. They must agree whether they should open the trades. Remember, we are on opening indicators. We are telling the boss that it should make use of the results given by these indicators to either take a long or a short trade. Remember, the AI makes use of these indicators, and the indicators are well explained here in this app. Each of the indicators is well explained. There are clear tutorials on how the indicators function. So I am going to remove 2 of these indicators. To remove any indicator, just touch on it and a minus sign is going to appear on top of it. Click on the minus sign, delete, and then you could leave just 1 or 2. But I explained earlier that when you have more indicators, it takes longer time for your trade to open, but they usually open in a very accurate way. So here we move to the next place. We have the MA period. All right, the MA period is 60. I'll reduce it to 45. Now for 45, I will put the breakout, the MA breakout to 45 too. No, sorry, I'll put 30, 30, 30. And okay, by default it says I should not take up to 30 here, so I'm working with 15 and 30, making a total of 45. So I scroll down here. The next thing I do is I will delete this closing indicator. The system has selected trading stop. I don't like trading stop. I like to work with take profit. So I'll tell the system that it should only close a trade and takes a new decision after it has made some profit. So I'll click on the indicator take profit, and then I'll set the profit leveled. I'm setting it at 0.55. So at 0.55, I can decide to add it, I can decide to reduce it depending on the range. So another person will decide to add the second indicator here, which of course I'm going to add to. Let's add the second indicator here. It will be a stop loss indicator, this one. So you are telling the system that you have 2 possibilities to close a trade, either when the trade is in profit of 0.55 or when it is in a loss of say 2%. It all depends on you. You can set any percentage of your choice. I prefer to set my stop loss at 2% of the $1. 2% of the $1. So each time there is a loss of 2%, the bot is going to close the trade instead of allowing the trade to continue making losses. So the trade is going to close and the opening indicator will pick a new direction. So this is how you set your bot using the Future CTA. So when all of this is done, then you can click on launch. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Share this video, try other options, and I'm recommending that you should make use of the sports bots during this period, because we are very close to the bull market and there will be a lot of manipulation at the beginning. So be very careful the way you trade futures using a bot or even manually. Bye.